If I woke up tomorrow with $0 in my bank account, no business, no clients, no audience, no followers, what would I do? Most people would start searching for magic tricks, secret websites, or the latest get-rich-quick scheme. I wouldn't. Before I show you the plan, let's talk about why most people fail. They spend weeks watching videos, months researching, years planning, but they never actually start. Many beginners think they need a website, expensive software. If I had $0, I wouldn't create a product. I wouldn't start a dropshipping store. I wouldn't build an app. Instead, I would sell a service. Why? Because services require almost no money to start. People are already paying for them every day. Examples: YouTube script writing, short-form video editing, social media content. This is where AI becomes powerful. Most people use AI for entertainment. I would use it to make money. For example, Chat GPT can help me write scripts, create content ideas, draft emails, research topic. This is where money is actually made. Most people spend 90% of their time learning. I would spend 80% of my time finding clients. Here's exactly what I would do. Search YouTube for channels with 1,000 to 20,000 subscribers. Many of them need help. Many people make a mistake here. They try charging too much. When you're starting out, your goal isn't maximum profit. Your goal is proof. If someone pays you $20, you've proven the system works. Then maybe the next client pays. Once I have clients, I start building systems. Every script becomes a template. Every message becomes a template. Every workflow becomes a template. Now, instead of creating everything from scratch, I improve what already works. This saves time, and time equals money. If I had $0, I would avoid expensive courses, paid ads, fancy websites, premium software. Too many people spend money before making money. Don't do that. Use free tools. Focus on skills. Focus on clients. So if I had $0 today, this is exactly what I would do. Choose one service. Use free AI tools. Create samples. Contact 20 people every day. Get the first client. Build systems. Scale. No secrets.